बिग बॉस मराठी सीझन 6 contestant per episode salary. Number 1 contestant Rakesh Bapat. His salary is 20,000 approximately per episode. Number 2 contestant Vishal Kotiyan. His salary is 16,000 approximately per episode. Number 3 contestant Dipali Sayyed. Her salary is 13,000 approximately per episode. Number 4 contestant Prabhu Shirke. His salary is 15,000 approximately per episode. Number 5 contestant Tanvi Kolte. Her salary is 12,000 approximately per episode. Number 6 contestant Ayush Sanjeev. His salary is 10,000 approximately per episode. Number 7 contestant Ruchita Jamdar. Her salary is 9,000 per episode. Number 8 contestant Sagar Karande. His salary is 8,000 approximately per episode. Number 9 contestant Anushri Mani. Her salary is 7,000 approximately per episode. माहिती आवडली असल्यास व्हिडिओला लाईक करा आणि अशाच नवनवीन माहितीसाठी आपल्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा.